Okay. Good afternoon. I'm Gab Peras from Sports Corner PH. Two questions lang. Balikan ko lang si Sir June. Based sa ocular inspection na isinasagawa ninyo before the Tour of Luzon, maayos po ba yung ating mga kalsada na gagamitin? Walang obstructions? Before the race, sinisiguro ba natin na handa na yung mga kalsadang gagamitin po natin?
Part of our mission during the ocular from Boss Are is to spot yung mga under construction, yung mga repairs that being done. May mga spots lang, patches, and then there were several stretches of highways na patapos na siya. By the time we pass, tuyo na yung semento. Or maybe this week na kasi we did the ocular 2 weeks ago. Or maybe this week or 2 weeks, para tapos na yung, or next week, tapos tuyo na yung semento. And they're very manageable naman, very manageable kasi that part of Luzon, konti na lang dumadaan na motorista na sasakyan. That's one of the best one of the best reasons to go there is because konti na lang ang mga sasakyan. So mas magandang magkarera doon and you have the highway all to yourself. That's it.
Okay, last question to our good chairman. Chairman Pato, last year sa Tour of Luzon, you're part of Duck World. Now, lumevel up ka na, chairman ka na ng PSC. And of course, the support of PSC is, of course, tuloy-tuloy naman yan as promoted by Sports Tourism Seminar. So, why is it important nga yung partnership ninyo with the PSC and the organizers of Tour of Luzon kasama ng Philippine Sports Institute ni Ma'am Pearl? Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Gab. Galing mo talaga magtanong. Oh. Opo, lumevel up na po ako. Alam ko po ng lahat yun. Lumipad ko yung DAC. So ngayon, ito sa SDMI and management ang nagsispearhead. Kasi hindi na po pwede yung DAC. Kasi nasa PSC na yung DAC. But I was whispering to Chairman MVP that yes, the Philippine Sports Commission will support the Tour of Luzon in 2026. And hindi lang ho sa pangako yan, pati sa financial.
Yung Philippine Sports Institute din.
Opo, yes, Gab. So maraming salamat sa pag-promote mo sa akin, Gab. Mabuhay ka.
Salamat po.